Hi, I'm Calvin, and here's a little guide on how to install Dropbox. First, go to dropbox.com/install and click Download. Open the installer from your Downloads folder. If you're using Windows, double click the installer and follow the on screen steps. If you're on a Mac, open the downloaded file and double click the Dropbox icon. Then, open Dropbox from Applications. The installation starts automatically. Dropbox will open and ask you to sign in. Enter your email and password for your Dropbox account. Once you're signed in, Dropbox will finish setting things up. When the setup is complete, you'll see a Dropbox folder in the File Explorer or Finder, plus the Dropbox icon in your taskbar or menu bar. After sign in, syncing starts and you'll see a new Dropbox folder and icon. And that's it. Put some files in your Dropbox folder and start syncing. If this video helped, why not share it? If you enjoyed this type of content, please like and subscribe to our channel, where we'll be bringing you more creative ways on how to use Dropbox.